Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2002 Honda Civic. So we're just gonna replace the exhaust manifold for this car. So actually, if you see it here, there is right there a crack. So the customer just want to replace this one. See that? So and we got already the brand new replacement part. So for today we're just gonna replace it, and I will be showing you how to do it. So it only had a couple of bolts and nuts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7, 8. So I've been worried about the one below, but I think we can do it, everything on the top. Alright, let's do it. So first thing that we need to do is unhook those O2 sensor connection. So this is the one, I think. So press it in here and then push it. Hold on. Go. And I think let's remove this one. Alright, same thing to this one, just press the one in here. It takes a couple of times to do it. This one, press it like this, pinch it, and then pull it out. Alright, so let's start removing those bolts and nuts. By the way, we're using number 12 mm socket, and then there's one more over here. Alright, so everything is loose. It wasn't that bad. Now let's go loosen the one below. Holy cow, it's a little bit dark, but anyway. So there were like two. Hold on, let me get the light. Light. Alright, there you go. Much better. So we're using number 12. Yes, this is number 12. Loosen it. Oh my god. I hope it won't. Oh boy. Moving. Keep moving. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. Second one. Hold on. Okay, let's do the second one. Okay. Alright. It's not that bad. Alright. Alright, let's use my cordless Milwaukee. Alright. One down. Next one. Second one. That's it. That was easy. And also, oh, by the way, you can drop your, your exhaust. Just remove it from there. This rubber, this one was hooked up in there. Then there's one more bolt in here. That's number 17. So I did remove it already. I did not show it to you because I need to, there's no space and I'm blocking it. So anyway, so 3 bolts right here. So 1 in there, 2, and then 3. Alright. Alright, let's move those bolts on the top. Right now, let's remove this, exhaust. There you go. So easy. Let's take some manifold. Just want to show you the crack right there. It's the crack. Now let's put the replacement part. This is not brand new, as you can see in here. I think he bought this from the junkyard. So we're gonna reuse the other one, the other auto sensor. And also I'm gonna switch, this old auto sensor to the other one. So this is the old one. I'm using this. It's not that tight though. Right. Let's put it in here. Alright, let's tighten it. Okay. Alright. That's it. Alright. Nice. Alright, let's put this replacement part. So I'm gonna reuse the same gasket. So this is the gasket. Still look decent though. Alright. Nice. Perfect. Nice. It's almost done. That's it. You just put back all those bolts and that's it. That's pretty much it. It's not that hard anyway. Alright, so all the bolts and nut are in. I'm just gonna tighten it. Alright, that's it. We're almost done. Then let's hook up this. Put the sensor. So there is like a bracket that holds the sensor right there. So you're gonna put that in, then the rest, that's it. Right, so I pinch this one so that you have like an access in here, because the bolt is a little bit small. There you go. See it? It's number 17, I think. Yeah, that's number 17. Right, let's tighten it. Look at this. Nice. Perfect. Alright. And then let's put like this. There you go. Alright. Right, let's put this. 2 bolts. Alright. The other one. Nice. Okay, that's number 12. Yeah, that's number 12. Let's use my cordless. Okay, other one. Nice. Alright, that's it. Done. Perfect. Right, it's tighten again the exhaust manifold bolts. Don't over torque it. Repair manual says around 33 foot-pounds. And my cordless ratchet, this is rated 30 foot-pounds. So I'm just gonna put an extra tight and that's it. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it. Let's start the car and let's see if there's a leak. Alright. Alright, so that's it. That's how you replace an exhaust manifold for 2002 Honda Civic. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today and see you in my next video. Bye bye.